for us, for the state of Odisha, because arbitrarily with brute majority, they have passed the 2024 amendment bill, university bill. First thing, when the matter is sub judice in the Supreme Court, when 2020 amendment bill was passed, some people, aggrieved people, they had been to the High Court, Honorable High Court of Odisha, and the UGC was an intervener. After thorough hearing, the Honorable High Court of Odisha has given a judgment in favor of the then amendment bill passed by the then government, Biju Janata Dal government. Then aggrieved party UGC has been to the apex court, and the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. The matter is sub judice. When the matter is sub judice, how this government brought the 2024 University Amendment Bill? This is my first question, and this question is raised by many of the opposition members of the House, but they did not listen. They did not take into consideration, number one. Number two, national education policy has been in force, and this Bharatiya Janata Party led government in Odisha and their party also at center, they have already declared to implement the new education policy, the national education policy. This is the contradictory. This is a contradictory to this bill, which bill they have placed and passed. This is very much contrary to the national education policy. National education policy has stated so many things which has been not reflected in this bill, like there is no Senate, there is no syndicate, there will be the board of management in the national education policy, and they have inserted the word Senate, and again they have considered the Senate, and all the things they have done, which is very much contradictory to the national education policy, as well as the UGC draft guideline. I don't know why this government has committed so many mistakes, not only mistakes but blunders, and they will repent for it. Whether they will repent or not, but the people of Odisha will repent for it, because the education policy not for a year. This is for a generation and generation to generation. Today is a black day for the education of our state. This discussion done by the both treasury bench and opposition members, the whole night it was run. The whole night. Today just going to be morning. The whole night we have discussed. And more than 12 hours. Out of 12 hours, I am lucky enough to fight like anything. I consumed more than 3 hours, 25% of the total time.